Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the Force Gurkha, India's answer to rugged, go anywhere SUVs. Over the years, the Gurkha has built a reputation for its durability, no-nonsense design, and incredible off-road capabilities. And now, in 2025, Force Motors has taken things up a notch. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Force Gurkha, breaking down its design, performance, features, and everything that makes it a serious competitor in the off-road SUV market. Let's start with what you see first, the design. Exterior design. The 2025 Force Gurkha sticks to its boxy, utilitarian roots but gets some significant refinements. It still looks like a proper off-roader, with squared-out edges, high ground clearance, and an imposing stance. But this time, Force Motors has made sure the Gurkha doesn't just look redder, it also gets a more modern touch. The front features a bold, redesigned grille with the iconic Gurkha lettering standing out proudly. The round LED headlights with integrated DRLs add a retro charm while ensuring better visibility. And, of course, you can't miss the heavy-duty steel bumper, designed to take on anything the trail throws at it. Moving to the side, the classic snorkel intake remains, meaning this beast is ready to tackle deep water crossings right from the factory. The massive 18-inch all-terrain tires and blacked-out fender flares enhance its muscular appeal, making it clear that this SUV is not just for city roads, it's built for the wild. At the rear, the full-size spare wheel is mounted on the tailgate, reinforcing its no-nonsense character. The LED taillights have been redesigned for a sleeker look, and the metal bash plate ensures that the underbody is well protected. The overall design language is simple yet purposeful. Every part of the new Gurkha serves a function, making it one of the most well-thought-out off-roaders in its class. Interior features. Stepping inside, you immediately notice the improvement in comfort and features. While the Gurkha has always been about toughness, the 2025 model brings much-needed refinements to its cabin. The dashboard now features a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's a major step up from the previous models, ensuring that you don't miss out on modern connectivity, even when you're far from civilization. The seats are more comfortable, with better cushioning and lumbar support. And if you're worried about space, the new Gurkha comes with both a 5-seater and a 3-door 4-seater configuration, allowing you to choose the setup that best suits your adventure needs. The rear seats get individual captain chairs, ensuring a comfortable ride even on the roughest terrains. And yes, the windows remain manually operated because simplicity is key when you're dealing with extreme conditions. Practicality has also been improved with more storage compartments, USB charging port, and even a new digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential off-road data, including tilt angles, altitude, and differential lock status. Engine performance. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, of the heart of the Gurkha. The 2025 model continues with the trusted 2.6 liters turbocharged diesel engine, refined for better performance and fuel efficiency, producing around 140 horsepower and 320 newton-meters of torque. It's not about speed but about sheer pulling power. Mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox, the engine is designed for torque-heavy performance, ideal for tackling extreme off-road conditions. One of the key highlights of the new Gurkha is its improved 4x4 system. It now comes with a shift-on-the-fly transfer case, making it easier to switch between 2H, 4H, and 4 liters modes without stopping completely. The manual locking differentials remain a key feature, allowing you to conquer even the most treacherous terrains with confidence. Water wading capabilities have improved too, with a best-in-class water wading depth of up to 700 mm. The Gurkha can easily take on rivers and flooded roads. Combined with a 35-degree approach angle and a 30-degree departure angle, this SUV is built to climb over rocks, sand dunes, and just about anything that stands in its way. Off-road capability. The Force Gurkha has always been known for its exceptional off-road prowess, and the 2025 model only strengthens that reputation. The solid front and rear axles provide unmatched durability, while the all-terrain tires and improved suspension setup ensure better articulation. The ride quality remains stiff, but that's a given when you're dealing with a body-on-frame SUV meant for the toughest terrains. Whether it's rock crawling, dune bashing, or deep forest trails, the Gurkha's low-end torque and differential locks make it a serious off-roading machine. The inclusion of an advanced hill descent control and traction management system further enhances its capability, making off-road driving a lot easier even for less experienced drivers. One major addition this year is the optional factory-fitted winch, which can come in handy during extreme recovery situations. On-road behavior. But what about daily driving? While the Gurkha is primarily designed for off-road performance, Force Motors has made improvements to make it more livable in urban conditions. The engine refinement means lower vibrations and better fuel efficiency. The steering, though still heavy, is more responsive, making city maneuverability slightly easier. That said, don't expect sedan-like comfort. The Gurkha remains a hardcore off-roader, and the suspension setup is tuned for durability over plushness. At highway speeds, the aerodynamics, or the lack thereof, become evident, and while it can cruise comfortably at 90 to 100 km per hour, it's not built for high-speed highway runs. Safety features. Force Motors has also stepped up in terms of safety. The 2025 Gurkha comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and a reinforced chassis for better crash protection. One of the most important additions is the new electronic stability control, which helps maintain control on slippery surfaces. Rear parking sensors and a reverse camera have also been added to improve urban usability. Price competition. Now, let's talk about pricing. The new Gurkha is expected to be priced around a superscript 116-18 lakhs, making it one of the most affordable purpose-built off-road SUVs in India. Its closest rival remains the Mahindra Thar, which offers a bit more power and an automatic transmission. However, where the Gurkha shines is its hardcore off-road capability, superior water-wading depth, and the ability to take on extreme terrains straight out of the showroom. For those looking for a no-nonsense, adventure-ready SUV with proven mechanicals, the Gurkha remains a solid choice. Final thoughts. So, should you buy the 2025 Force Gurkha? If you're someone who loves off-roading, exploring remote trails, and pushing your vehicle to the limit, the Gurkha is a fantastic option. It's not just an SUV, it's a tool built for adventure. However, if you're looking for a daily commuter with a more refined driving experience, the Mahindra Thar or other SUVs might be a better choice. At the end of the day, the 2025 Gurkha continues its legacy as one of the most capable off-road SUVs in India. With improved features, a more refined cabin, and legendary toughness, it remains a true enthusiast.